I'm not showing this to brag, I'm just showing this to unbox, to review these 2 bags that I got as gifts from Chan. Thank you for joining me today. We got 2 bags from Aldo. So these are a small bag and a tote bag that I got as gifts. So, hindi ko pa sila na-unbox, pero nakita ko na sila. So, we will unbox them together. Actually, it's not a box because it's a paper bag. So, let's start with a big one. So, I was looking for a tote bag para sa work. I was hoping that I could use this at work. So, tote bag. So, this is the bag. It came with the plastic. Let's remove it from the plastic. This is what the bag looks like. So, I think it's faux leather. It's not really real leather, but it has texture. And it's simple. I don't think this is the front though. I'm showing you the back. This is the front pala. And you have the name Aldo right there. Tapos, di ko alam kung nakikita nyo guys, there is texture sa bag. Tapos, dito, sa side niya, is like a gamosa. Is it gamosa? Yung medyo may rough na parang suede. No, I think it's suede or something. Tapos, ito sa ilalim, wala siyang hardware. Wala siyang masyadong hardware. It sounds like a button, a plastic button. It doesn't have a lot of hardware aside from this one, which is, I think it's metal, but it's painted black. Ang init ngayon, guys. Oh my gosh. Tapos, hindi ko maayos-ayos yung hair ko, kaya I put it up in a bun. But anyway, we have the tag right here. Hindi ko pala napakita. I don't know if it's important. It doesn't have the price. It says made in China. So, I guess that says something. But I think this is good quality. Although is like somewhere in the cheaper side of luxury. It's not really luxury. Don't just say the word luxury, Mia. Don't just throw it around. For some people, this might be luxury, but for some people, this is dirt cheap type of bags. But anyway, this is what the inside looks like. So we have pockets. So I'm gonna show you the inside. I think this is a tassel. I didn't see it. I didn't pick the bags. I mean, I kind of picked it. Si Chan kasi pumunta siya ng Trinoma. Tapos, alam niya naghahanap ako ng bag. Tapos, nakita niya na naka-sale. Si Aldo. So, sabi niya, pumili ka. Tapos, nag-video call kami. And he was like, showing me the bags. Tapos, hindi clear yung video recording. So, I was like, on a rush pa. Kasi nasa work ako nun. So, ayun, rush na napili to. But, I think they're okay. They're good. And this is what the tassel looks like. I think this is a suede type of material. Tapos, I don't know what this one is. But, meron siyang weight. And pwede naman siyang tanggalin if you want. And this is what the inside looks like. Tanggalin natin yan. Ooh, meron siyang pa-sling if you want sling. And it has like a snake texture. Katali pa siya. So, let's remove it. So, ayan. Malaki siya. So, pwede kong malagyan ng mga gamit. Ang dami ko kasing dinadala sa office. Let's try itong aqua flask. Kasha siya. Kasha siya, dye. You know. Hindi ko nga lang siya may isasara. But, I think, yeah. Okay naman siya. Ayan. Tapos, yung packet niya pala. I don't know if I'm showing this correctly. This is my first time doing this, guys. So, bear with me. So, itong packet na to is like, para siyang hanging na pocket. Tapos, on this side, I think it's the same thing. So, parang may dalawa siyang nakahang na pocket in this 2 sides. Tapos, ang pagsara ng bag, the main compartment is a magnetic closure. Ang hirap palang gawin nito. So, ayan. Overall, this is like an office girl type of bag na kasyang-kasya yung mga gamit ko. Kasi mga ganito rin yung size ng ginagamit ko, which is a very dirt cheap bag. I'll show you. This is the bag na papalitan niya, which is a canvas bag. which is actually nice. Kailangan ko lang siguro ng pamalit. I think I was like, okay na ako dito sa bag na to na binili ko sa Shopee. And he was like, hindi, bibili tayo ng leather na bag na pang matagalan. So, yeah. If you guys are interested for me to show you my bag, I have a small bag collection. It's just a small bag, mostly affordable collection. I can do that if you're interested. Let's move on to the second one. So we got the smaller one. This is what I was most excited about. Kasi iba yung itsura niya. Iba yung itsura niya sa video nung nag-video call kami. Kaya hindi siya clear. And hindi ko in-expect na meron siyang parehas lang na parang, alam mo yun, yung black lang to. Tapos ito is more like pinkish na snake skin na design. And it's not the best part that I like about it, but I like the baby pink color of it, which is so girly. Tapos, ito yung harap niya. The enclosure, meron na agad siyang gas-gas, which is sad, but it's not gonna destroy the the usability of the bag, I think. So, yeah. So, ganyan. Hindi ko pala napakita yung likod. My God, I'm not that good in this. It's my first time again, so bear with me if I'm not doing anything that matches your expectation. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm very much happy to hear your feedback, how I can improve my videos like this better, because I'm still trying to move away from fragrance. I mean, not totally move away. Fragrance will still be the main topic of my channel. Dagdagan ko lang ng mga a little bit more girly stuff here and there, which are bags, of course, because every girl likes bags. I mean, what girl doesn't like a bag? Do you get what I mean? Oh my God, stop talking to me. Let's move on. So, ayan, dyan yung pangalan niyang Aldo dito sa likod. This is what the back looks like. And itong texture nito is like a croc effect, but it's not really a crocodile skin. Of course not. I think this is plastic. Pero white siya na croc effect na design. Tapos, mas malaki yung texture na kaysa dito sa baby pink. Which, I don't know if you guys can see the texture. Medyo smooth yung texture niya. Tapos, buksan na natin. This is what the inside looks like. Meron siyang dalawang pockets. Compartment pala. Do you call it pockets or compartment? I don't know. I mean, this is the most expensive bag I've ever owned. I mean, I don't usually buy expensive bags. Like, pinakamahal siguro na bili kong bag is like 1,000. But I think these are more than 1,000. I think it's like a 4,000, I believe. I don't know. But I'll try to find them online. I'll link it in the description box below kung may mahanap ako. But these are the two compartments. Tapos meron siyang parang card container. Tapos container. Lalagyan ng card. Tapos meron siyang may zipper dito. Here. Yan. May zipper. The zipper is working fine. So, I believe this is more like a panggala type of bag. Because, hindi kasya yung magamit ko dito kung gagamitin ko to for the office. Meron siyang patassel. Okay. So, dyan yung name na Aldo. Aldo. Meron din siyang plastic to cover it. Teka, tanggalin ko lang muna itong part na to. Ooh, okay. So, this is what the pink handle looks like. Hindi siya... Hindi siya adjustable. Wala siyang space to adjust. Pero meron lang siyang portion ng leather. Tapos may portion ng chain. Pero hindi siya adjustable. You just have two options. Kasi usually, di ba, na-adjust to for the length. Pero, this is the shoulder style. Pa ganun. This is what it looks like. So, yeah. It's still along my hips. Hindi naman siya masyadong mahaba. Which is just in my hips. I'm small, by the way. I'm short. I mean, I'm short. So, actually, this is a good one. Maganda yung napiling size. Because, it's not too long. Ayoko kasi masyadong mahaba. Kasi kapag masyadong mahaba, it's like I borrowed someone else's bag. So, yeah. For this black one naman, oh no! I can't put it. There you go. There you go. Or hold it like that. I'm happy with these bags kasi magagamit ko sila. Masusulit ko sila, I think. Especially this one for everyday office wear. And I just wish na mag-stay put siya ng ganyan. Like a little bit more structured. But I think I'm okay with it. It's workable kasi kapag wala siyang laman, hindi siya masyadong bulky. Although there's one thing na napansin ko sa kanya. This is fairly new. Meron siyang konting rusting sa hardware niya dyan. May napansin akong nagre-rust around yung button niya, which is not a good sign, but it's not a luxury bag, so I guess that says something about it. Look, it's on the other side as well. Meron siya. Hindi ko alam kung nagpapakita siya sa sa camera ng phone ko na may konting rust around the button, yung sa metal hardware. Sa loob naman, wala naman. And the zippers are working really smoothly. I think this is where you put your wallet. You could put your phone on the other side. And then just dump everything in the middle. Mainly, hindi rin naman nasasaya yung mga bag ko. Like, I have 2 tote bags na pinagpapalit ko. One from Matthews and the canvas bag that I got from Shopee. And I finally have a third one na pagpapalit-palitin ko. And yeah, I love it. I love this one. I like the color. Although, I am desiring a little bit more from this bag, but I like it. I think I will use this for years and years to come. And I will appreciate this one. Of course, I got this one as a gift from my boyfriend. So, I would truly, truly cherish it. And I'm very grateful. And I like this one as well. I like the baby pink color. I like it for pangala, maybe. And if I'm not bringing a lot of things at work, which is rare, so maybe I'll be using this one for more of like a Sunday date night type of deal. So yeah, overall, I will give them an 8 out of 10. Considering them, I found rust in some hardware. So I hope this video was helpful somehow if you're thinking of buying from Aldo. I don't know yung brand na to, hindi ko pa sila masyadong na-experience. So, hindi ko sila masasabi durable for the long term. If you had Aldo bags, let me know your experience in the comment section below. I am very curious to know kasi first time ko palang matatry si Aldo. And so far, nagustuhan ko naman sila. But I want to know if you have like Aldo bags in your collection that lasted years. I mean, what were your experiences with them? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you want fragrance-related contents, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on this next video. Bye!